Welcome to Project Beep Beep on the Average Guy's Restoration blog. If Tim has the videos in order, the last video was doing the passenger door hinge using my whiz-bang tool. And if you keep up with these videos, about 2 years ago I did the driver's door lower hinge, rebuilt hinge, using an engine cherry picker. So at the time, and I'll try to get the light right so you can see the difference in color here. I could not find anybody to paint the hinge, and I didn't want to put it in there with just primer on it. And to keep the car on the road and going to car shows, I went ahead and caved and just bought some surf Rust-Oleum. In the meantime, this company, Automotive Touch-Up, actually custom made me this large rattle can of paint. Is it a perfect match? No, but you saw on the other hinge, it's close. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take a little bit of COVID gold here and my scrap microfibers. When my microfibers get about 5 or 6 years old, I put them into a one-use only scrap pile. And then I've got some of this packing brown paper. So we'll tape it up. We'll clean the hinge really well with the COVID gold and mask off what we can, and I'm just going to hit it with 2 light coats just to blend it in. I like these simple Saturday afternoon jobs. Okay, you know, I should, I guess now's the disclaimer. If you're a purist, fast forward or don't watch the video. I don't give that disclaimer much. We had one purist that watched all of our blogs at the Average Guy's Restoration website, and after he saw what Tim and I were doing, he got on antidepressants and ended up basically he can no longer watch our videos. I think everybody else that watches is an average guy and appreciates what we do. So wow, way down in there is the hinge, and it's clean. I even took a little bit of the COVID gold and some Q-tips, cleaned it up really well. And so I'm going to hit it with a couple of shots and just to blend it, and then we should be done. Okay, so waiting 15 minutes between coats, giving it 3 coats. You know what? I like it. And again, I know the one purist that used to watch the channel, poor guy, can't watch us anymore. That looks pretty good. Let's take all the paper out and see how it looks. Okay, so took all the papers off. What do we got? Well, I would say that looks pretty good. So I'm going to let it set overnight before I spray any lube on it. But definitely better than that color. And I'm quite pleased with that company and the way it turned out. So hopefully after this video, you're going to see the new turn signal switch. I did find one made in the USA. The guy's name is Slant 6 Dan. He actually had the original Chrysler supplier make him some reproduction turn signal switches, and we'll have more on that. This switch works, it's just the left has never canceled since I bought the car. And I could buy a cancel cam from the help aisle down at O'Reilly Auto Parts, but you got to take a Dremel and do this and that. And I'd rather just replace the switch, especially if I can get a USA one. So more next time. Thanks for watching, guys.